Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best skinning knife. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Mourinho Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. This is not the first time the Morakniv Companion has made one of the task and purpose lists of best knives, as it previously appeared on our list of the best survival knives, and with good reason. The Companion is an excellently crafted fixed-blade knife, made even more impressive considering its low price of only $18. The blade of this Swedish knife is made of Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel, which boasts exceptional edge performance, razor sharpness, corrosion resistance, and extreme durability. The blade length measures 4.1 inches and sits in a 4.5-inch TPE rubber handle. The handle is lightly textured to create just the right amount of friction and prevent the blade from slipping, an exceptionally valuable feature if you're using the knife when your hands are wet with blood. With over 24,000 global ratings on Amazon, it still maintains an overall average of 4.8 stars. To further test the knife's quality, I purchased one for myself and have been using it in the evenings to prep meat. For dinner, you can take from that what you will, but the knife has performed perfectly, which should be a relief for all you frozen chicken thigh hunters out there. Pros: razor sharp and corrosion resistant blade, lightweight, texturized handle, fixed blade makes it easier to clean. Cons: narrow tang. Number 2. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Knife. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is our top pick for the best knife for the money. One of the top reasons is that Buck knives are made to last a lifetime and hand down to the next generation. The 110 was originally created in 1963 because Al Buck believed that a lock blade knife was needed by hunters that wanted a sturdy deer hunting knife, but did not want to carry the length of a fixed blade knife. Hence, the Buck 110 was born. The 110 is 4 7/8 inches long when closed and weighs in at 7.2 ounces. It is a very versatile deer hunting knife that can be used as a field dressing knife, skinning knife, and even a processing knife. The sturdy, made in the USA construction, reasonable price, and long-lasting useful life make the Buck 110 our top choice for best knife for the money. The blade's tip is slightly narrower than the 110 Vanguard, and it also incorporates a wide, sweeping belly that helps with cutting through the thicker layers of skin. The handle includes the same full tang construction with an integrated finger guard and deep choil for safety. The 110 Skinner may be less aesthetically pleasing than the 192 Vanguard, but it certainly makes up for that with functionality. Number 3. TAC Force TF469 Deer Hunting Knife. We set out to bring you the best hunting knife, and while we have done that, many of you have asked, what is the best cheap hunting knife? While best and cheap are two words that don't usually go together, we wanted to give you an answer to your question, so we took a look at all of the less expensive knives to see what we could find. I have to say, I was surprised at the sheer number of cheap deer hunting knives on the market, so the challenge was to find a cheap deer hunting knife in terms of quality for the price, and I think we did a really good job of that when we found the TAC Force TF469. This knife is pretty good quality. With an amazingly low price, keep in mind that you are not going to get a lifetime of use out of this knife, like you will with the other knives in our reviews, but we are fairly confident that you will get your money's worth. Let's take a little deeper look at the best cheap deer hunting knife. The TAC Force TF469 has a spring-assisted opening that allows for easy one-hand operation. It measures 4 inches closed and has a 3-inch blade. It has a surprisingly comfortable packawood handle, making it easy to maneuver inside the body cavity when gutting a deer. If you are looking for an inexpensive deer hunting knife, you won't be disappointed with the TAC Force TF469. Number 4. Outdoor Edge 3.5 Razorlight EDC Folding Knife. If you really want good insight into the quality of a blade, ask a professional. Until this last year, my uncle owned a deer processing business here in Michigan. Every hunting season, he would skin and butcher hundreds of deer for local hunters, processing the meat into steaks, roasts, fillets, burgers, and his infamous jalapeno cheddar brats, his skinning knife of choice. The Outdoor Edge 3.5-inch Razorlight EDC. In fact, as I was writing this review, he informed me he was going to the sporting goods store to pick up another one for an upcoming bear hunt in Canada. The Outdoor Edge 3.5 Razorlight EDC is another folding knife that utilizes replaceable blades. The blades are made with Japanese 420J2 stainless steel and are heat-treated to ensure excellent edge retention. The blades are easily changed out, locking into place on a sturdy 420J2 stainless steel blade holder that gives it the strength of a more traditional knife. Say goodbye to sharpening your knife in the field, because 6 replacement blades are included with the purchase. Pros: excellent edge retention. TPR texturized hand grips. Easy to change, replaceable blades. Cons: folding knives can be harder to clean. Number 5. Mossberg Fixed Blade All-in-One Skinning Knife. The Mossberg Fixed Blade All-in-One Skinning Knife with gut hook isn't just a deal, it's a certified steal. Costing less than a ticket to the cinema while still offering top-quality components is a hard balance to strike, but Mossberg have done just that with this fantastic skinning knife. Plus, with a rating of 4.6 from over 1,300 reviews on Amazon alone, they have obviously done a few things right here. This best low-cost skinning knife makes skinning small, medium, and even larger game an absolute breeze. The unmistakable curve of the blade makes separating the hide from the flesh of an animal extremely easy, and the included gut hook only makes the job of skinning even easier. The textured, woodland camo printed TPR handle is a very simple shape, slightly resembling an egg that's been flattened, but even with the marked lack of molding, it offers high comfort levels. The whole knife assembly weighs in at just 353 ounces and is so easy to control, even when combating a thick, tough area of the hide. For the price, I just do not think you'll be able to find a better skinning knife.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.